Friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here again with my daily predictions for Dow Jones and Tech 100. Yesterday we were again spot on as I predicted that we might see it crossing 34,000 levels. 34,200 was the extreme and it went beyond that, and right now Dow Jones is trading at around 34,220. At the same time, if you look at the Tech 100 also did extremely well, and it went past through all the levels, all the resistances, and now right now trading at around 500 levels. So let's have a look what lies there in the indices and how you can take your positions. So looking at this chart of Tech 100, on a 4-hour chart, the Tech 100 is right now very stable, but we can see that it is continuously ascending. It is the charts are continuously increasing, and from here we might see a good rise on this candle. See, it is getting a support and it has formed a channel. Now see these three lines consistently, we can see that there is a breakout at around 13,550. It got a good resistance. This is the second time it is hit 13,550 and got a good resistance. So possibly I will be watchful of 13,550 today, and once it crosses 13,550 you can definitely go long, and we are going to head towards 13,700 levels. So let's see what levels we could achieve, but before we proceed towards our targets and for the day, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. That is what is my request from you all. So looking at the daily charts, we have seen 4-hour chart. Looking at the daily chart, the candle is green above 13,500. That is the level from which we have started our day today. So 13,500 is the level beyond which, if it continues to trade above 13,500, till the time it continues to trade above 13,500, my target is going to be 13,700 levels, but it needs to surpass the resistance at around 13,700 levels. So see, this is the resistance we are getting at around 13,550, and it has formed a channel. It is not trying to surpass this, and once it crosses this 13,550 levels somewhere here, we are going to hit 13,700 levels. So I will give you the exact numbers. Be watchful of that. I will give you the exact numbers. Stay tuned with me. So we have seen 4-hour chart, we have seen daily chart. Now let's have a look at the 2-hour charts also. Maybe it will give us a little better picture. So see here, it has got right now since almost 12 to 15 hours we are trading at around 13,500 levels. All the candles are almost stable, but we can see that there is a slight increase and we are heading a little high. So possibly once it crosses this level at around 13,550, then we could expect it to rise further and it could go higher. It could achieve higher highs as we had expected. Now see, once again we will have a look at the daily chart. So see, on a daily chart here, on the daily charts here, as I said yesterday, that we might head for a little recovery. It has done its recovery, but how far this could go, that needs to be seen, and possibly if it crosses 13,550, definitely we are going to hit a bigger highs. Now let's bigger numbers. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts also. So on a weekly chart, once it surpasses 15, 13, 540, 550 levels, the levels which we are looking forward to, it is definitely going to hit towards 13,700, close to 13,750 levels, and then beyond that also it might achieve. But yes, if it breaks 13,500, if it goes below 13,500, we are going to see 13,400 levels and below, and it will close the day at around 13,400. This appears on the weekly charts. So we have seen all the candles. Now let's have a look at the indicators. What does the indicators are indicating? So looking at indicators, this is weekly chart. Now let's turn it to daily, and on a daily levels we can see that it is getting some resistance at around 13,550 from the moving average line, and after that it has got a resistance at around 13,600. So 13,550 and 13,600 are the levels I will be little watchful of, and if this break these levels, then we are the sky is the limit, and my target is going to be 13,720 levels possibly. Now this appears on a daily chart, and on a daily chart, if you see, the red line is tapering the R1 and the green line is also sloping down. So possibly it appears that we might see a little bullish day. And on the daily charts on Tech 100, it is crossing over. The MACD lines are crossing over. Even once this crossover, definitely a good bull, a good rise lies ahead. That is what is reflective of this crossover. Looking at the stochastic is entering into a overbought territory and it is still in a buy zone. Possibly we might see a bullish day. Now looking after all these things, once let's have a look at the indicators on a 4-hour charts also, because that is also going to give us a little impact on the movement ahead. So on the 4-hour chart, it appears on the 4-hour chart, it is the index is in overbought position. Possibly the stochastic is reflective of a little drop, but how far this could go, it will depend if it crosses 13,500. So if it crosses 13,500, we are going to have a look at 13,400, 13,380 levels possibly that could be achieved. So on a 4-hour chart, it is still in overbought position and we will be watchful that how far this could go. And looking at this, the MACD lines on a 4-hour chart are divergent. Possibly we might see a little rise here, and the R1 is bullish, so we might see a little rise. Now let me give you the levels here. So let me write down the levels for you. Don't trade between 13,500 to 13,560 levels. This is a no trade zone, and till the time it is trading between this, you should not take any position, avoid taking any positions. Once it crosses 13,560, my first resistance which I will get is at around 13,600, and once it crosses 13,600, the next target is 13,720. So you can take your positions at around 13,560 with the see the behavior at around 13,600 levels. If it does get a little resistance, don't try to you can put your stop loss again at 13,560 and remain long, because see, you have taken an entry at 13,560, so still you have got 40 points of move to for it to sustain. And after that, once it crosses this, we will head towards 13,720, and below 13,500, once it drops below 13,500, you can take a position for 13,380 levels. So be watchful of that. Below 13,500, you can take a position for 13,380, and we are going to hit these targets very well. So be watchful, take positions with caution, and we can definitely profit again today. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. What does the Dow Jones chart are saying? And looking at Dow Jones chart, Dow Jones is right now trading at around 34,210, and let's have a look at the hourly chart. The hourly charts are indicating that we might see a little drop, and how far this could go, let's be watchful of this. So looking at this, see, on a hourly chart, we expect that it might see a little drop and it could go till 34,150 levels before it rises again. So this is what we expect on an hourly chart from Dow Jones. But let's have a look at the 4-hour charts also. And on a 4-hour, before we proceed on a hourly chart, see, this 2-hour chart is turned, this 2-hour candle is turned red, and from 34 to 20 levels, it is trying to 34 to 23 levels, 24 levels, it is trying to form a tail before it shows the green candle with the market opens, because see, it has already formed a wick and possibly it is seeing higher highs. So once it crosses 34 to 24, 34 to 230, you can definitely take a long position towards higher levels. And how far this could go, definitely we are going to look at this, that how far it could go. So take your positions with cautions. And we have seen hourly chart, we have seen 2-hour chart also. Now let's have a look at the 4-hour candle. On a 4-hour candle, see, this candle is started at around 34,160 levels, and from here it is consistently seen a high at around 34,250 levels. Let's see whether it could rise beyond or not. See, I can see that it is formed it is formed a ascending triangle or increasing triangle where it is seen higher highs and lower lows. So possibly if it drops, it could drop till 34070 levels, and then we could see a rise ahead. So possibly 34070 to 34250 is something which it appears that this candle might travel into. Now we have seen 4-hour chart, we have seen hourly charts, we have seen 2-hour chart. Now looking at the daily charts, daily chart appears to be a green candle where the candle is started at around 34100 levels, and from 34100 we are looking forward to a greener day. And as I said, 34250 is something I will be watchful of, and 34070 is again something which I will be watchful of. So looking at this, if it continues, but yes, if it crosses past by 34250, we are again going to hit 34400 levels, close to 34400 levels. Now see, here I can see that there is a slight slope on a daily chart which might give it a good resistance, which is giving it a good resistance at around 34300 also. So possibly let's have a look whether we could sustain this or it is going to see a drop. And interestingly, on a hourly chart we have seen, on a daily charts also we have seen. Let's have a look at the weekly charts also, because today is the final day of the week, last day of the week. So possibly looking at the weekly chart, the weekly candle is red, and if it tries to rise past 34250, it might hit 34500, close to 34500, and if it goes past 34500, then sky is the limit for Dow Jones, and we are going to see higher highs, and it could again head towards 34800 levels also. This is going to be a big uh, move if it continues to go past 34250. So we have seen on a daily chart, we have seen the weekly charts also. Now let's have a look at the indicators. What does the indicators are indicating? So looking at the indicators on a daily chart, see, it has got a good resistance at around 34250 to 60 levels, and it has got a good support at around 34100 levels, 34070 levels, close to 34070 levels. Same thing is indicated on a 4-hour chart also. We have seen that we have got a move which is a widening triangle, and we could see a low at around 34070. If it drops below 34140 levels right now. See, Arun on a daily chart appears to be bullish because both lines are tapering. MACD lines are trying to converge from here, and once these crossover, then only we can see a bullish move. Uh, See, stochastic on a daily chart interestingly is trying to crossover, and once this crossover, definitely we are going to see higher highs. We are going to head towards 34500, and if 34500 is also taken, we are going to see 34700 and 800 levels also. Going to be a big day possibly, but be watchful, it might drop also equally well, and it could go till 34070 levels. Now looking at this level, let's have a, we have seen the indicators on a daily chart. Now let's have a look at the indicators on a 4-hour chart also. So on a 4-hour chart, the stochastic is almost in a overbought position, and these two lines are running parallel. These two lines are running parallel, and possibly looking at these lines, possibly we might see a little drop here. So on a 4-hour chart, it appears that little drop, but it might give a good rise also, because these two lines are running parallel, and still we have got scope here. So looking at this, I am expecting the 4-hour candle to be big enough to cross 34250. Once it crosses 34250, my target is towards 34380 and 34500, and if these two levels are done, then the sky is the limit for Dow Jones, and below 34150 we are going to head towards 34070 levels. So let me write down the levels for you. 34150 to 34250. Don't trade between these levels, and avoid taking a position here. If it drops below 34,150, you can take a target of 34,070, and if it crosses 34,250, you can take a target of 34,380, 34,500, and plus levels also. So be watchful of this and take your positions accordingly. Avoid these 100 points to just observe and monitor how these candle and charts behave, and accordingly you can take your positions. Here on the downside we have got 70 points, on the upside we have got almost 130 and 200 plus points, so you can make decent profit accordingly. So this is all from my side, and happy trading, guys. If you have any comments, please do put in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a great day.